transform any text script into a compelling spokesperson video using the power of AI. With just a few clicks, you can convert your text into engaging videos featuring real humans or avatars. Choose an avatar or let the AI generate one for you, input your script or let the AI create it, and watch as your script transforms into a professional spokesperson video. It's that simple. Let's dive into how this works. First, you input your text script. This could be anything from a product description, a blog post, or even your own narrative. Next, you choose your preferred avatar. You can select from a wide range of options, or if you're feeling adventurous, let the AI generate one for you. Once you've made your choices, simply sit back and watch as your text script is transformed into a compelling spokesperson video right before your eyes. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about the benefits of using SpokesVideos. First up, you save time and resources. No need for expensive equipment, hiring actors, or spending hours editing. With just a few clicks, you have a ready-to-use video. Secondly, you can create engaging content effortlessly. Videos are proven to generate more interest and engagement than text alone. Finally, you reach a wider audience with videos. Videos are easily shareable across various platforms, increasing your reach exponentially. The possibilities are endless with SpokesVideos. Ready to revolutionize your video creation process? It's simple to get started. In no time, you'll be creating amazing, engaging videos. Remember, with SpokesVideos, you're not just making a video, you're creating an experience that resonates with your audience. And that could mean the difference between being heard and being overlooked. Don't wait, start your journey today. Check the link in the description to start for free and revolutionize the way you create videos. The world of AI-driven video creation is at your fingertips.